I'm not telling no lie. I'll pay your whole in my drawers after. If I know, look most my pum pum near the drop out.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost. I will on there with the latest mix up and mix downs. So please consider subscribing if it's your first time over here. So. Anyways, we are going to talk about what the description of the video say. You see me? Yeah, guys, so tune in. Anyhow, Shenseea made a post and she had this to say in the video. So I really want ladies comment on that one you do. Tell me if I true what you think, if you agree.
Hey, ladies, if you don't wash your panty right after your bed, I'm not support it. It's not safe. All them nice juices and shit. It's just, it can't stay for weeks upon weeks, my nigga. You have to wash that shit. Hey, the first time I made that at me now, I be sugar ants in my drawers. Yeah. I'm not telling no lie. I pee your whole in my drawers after. If I know, look most my pum pum near the drop out.
Yeah, guys, so up next, we are going to talk about Intence and the next big artist, big bad artist, Killy Bang. Two bad artists, two of them are on the trending line right now, guys. It's me, but Intence actually take the lead, and that is fact. With him song Gun Idiot. It's me, so far the war I go and go down thing. Intence have something new for job. It's me, full camouflage settings, the people them can't manage it because I go hard. Them start saying I follow cartel in a camouflage suit. Like camouflage make for cartel. Jesus, peace when I go there. So, but anyways, the war look intense like a dog name. So we are going to watch and see what going on. You see it, people?
Somebody got dig up all them videos from how long and go flag them video.
Yeah, and the person who vlog the video, either the person a YouTuber or the person know about YouTube.
So as you can see, guys, me I share this with you for make you know say them a flag King and Shay video. You see me? And me not really find nothing wrong with them video. Especially knowing say them get flag already and this is them second channel. You see it? Just watch and enjoy. If you don't like what them post, come on for them video. And I that my love with YouTube. No matter if somebody want to flag it, it's up to them decision once them things secure. You see me? You have to secure it.
People is trying to vlog in our videos, guys. They vlog our video 4 times. 4 times, guys. And people didn't know that when you reach a certain level in YouTube do not block your video like that.
No, not with alright. Let me explain now. So, same thing like what happened on the other channel, yes, on our previous channel, King and Shay. We never used to would he explain it, so we used to get strike people used to flag our videos.
A lot, guys.
YouTube. So, well, then pick it up again, then pick up the habit. So this person just have the time to go way down, to go look some videos. If the person just deliberately look at the
guys, I'm gonna explain now. So, I'm explain now.
Hold on. The person deliberately look for videos where them know say YouTube would have strike. So about 4 video YouTube says but this video was flagged to us for review. But that means that somebody vlogged the video.
No, somebody YouTube sent it to us, or somebody vlogged the video.
Then let me just say.
Okay, right, you're right.
And unfortunately, one of the video we got a strike on that one. The other 3, YouTube said there's not, after they reviewed the video, they didn't see anything wrong with it. So the one video that came down was the home invasion one. Somebody got dig up all them video from how long and go flag them video.
Yeah, and the person who vlogged the video, either the person a YouTuber or the person know about YouTube exactly, because there is no way
that person is definitely a hater.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Our guys, when them do them search for a specific video, when them know YouTube, what would I say? YouTube not gonna like.
What go against the community guideline.
What go against the community guideline, right?
And to put this into context now.
Context.
There are lots we watch enough YouTube videos out there, and sometimes when I see the type of video, sometimes it's like, no, sir.
We're afraid of them video, guys.
When we do them the video, the people are flag. What happened to Jamaican people? And anytime we do videos like I do, the parking and Shay. You understand me? People might think so we don't understand. We don't understand this. Because there are people say we don't understand this about YouTube and we don't understand. Come on. We can't read, we definitely understand what we not do or what we not put on YouTube. But people definitely go dig up in a 200-odd video we have.
There's a specific YouTuber when they say that. So we don't know nothing about YouTube, we don't understand nothing about YouTube. We don't understand nothing about YouTube and we have Wull video can block. What we not know about. Alright? So anyway guys, as we say guys, yo, what we doing guys, if you not watch a video for we and not like it, you know stop watch your channel guys.
Yeah, you know stop
watching video them. What we are doing, we're not doing nothing, we don't hate nobody. We are trying to survive just like a one of the guys. So why you not take the time? If you go up on YouTube and vlog with them, what we have to do, you know, what we do to you know? Tell me God in the truth guys, what is better you never do for you know? When you vlog somebody video, you never now making a reach.
And the firecracker video, never do it on King and Shay. YouTube said them flag it.
And River by somebody flag it.
Yeah. It was flagged to us for review. Why them go through? If you simply don't like we or don't like we content where we are produced, or no watch. You understand me? We don't have a problem and everybody we are going to be able to please.
And you know what YouTube are come out with now,
and
guys?
We don't want to please everybody.
Exactly. And guys, so me upset you know, to be totally honest. So guys, sorry about that. The battery dead. No, it must have battery dead. Anyway guys, so what me trying to say now guys is like we try with this. Like, you know, like if me associate the prank, I was just boy the prank. YouTube now like you guys because we have one of a prank. We have one of a prank what we do and one of the guys who say yo sachet this down for YouTube now. We now put it up in a sachet. It's me as babes. And sachet says okay babes we now put up. We have one of a prank guys who will upload on YouTube. One a prank we will upload on YouTube. And even if we do a simple little video, obviously everything is operated, we always try to avoid because we know YouTube there's chip on them video. You understand me? Guys, we see a lots of video on YouTube. And I said, oh, look on the video the babes. The on YouTube for y'all 2 cheap here with the advertisement.
So yeah, the fight is out there guys, but mine is real. As me. So if you do make it at the end of the video, just please big up on yourself, bless up on yourself at all times. Bless up YouTube and everybody. You know the style go already. You see me, and keep up watching the videos. Comment down below. You see me. If you don't like the video, then besides that, respect.